Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing more Naval Warfare. So right now a new game just started. As you can see, we're all starting from the harbor. All the islands are not claimed yet. I'm going to actually go ahead for Island B, because that's kind of like in the middle. So yeah, let's just go get that one. Got one bomb and yeah, really. See, they're taking over that island. See, the carrier's even heading for it. So we're just gonna land this bird, claim the island. Oh god, the Americans are already coming for it. There's two. I don't think I can handle two. Oh my god. Get in torpedo. Well, you're gonna shoot at a submarine. Oh god, they're already shooting at me! What, that island is unclaimed. We both went down! Crap! Guys! Island B! More are coming! For Island B! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We didn't even get the first island? Are you kidding me? I guess it takes time. All the Americans are getting Island B. That is bad. Americans! Getting the island. Oh my god. Did that plane just... Oh my god. I think I'm gonna be on here. Cause, oh my god. How do you even... What? Does this pilot guy control that? I can't even climb it. Bruh. Oh wait, we're getting it. I think I'm gonna stay on the ship because... Yeah, already. Shoot him. Did he just like jump out of his boat? Okay. Did we take any damage from him? Probably just a bit. We gotta be wary of more. Because they're everywhere. So let's see. That one's just going straight up. I think he's gonna do a sneak attack up from the sky. Yeah, he is. He's gonna drop bombs on us. Oh god, yeah, no, he's coming down to drop a bomb. Okay, he's out. That was close. He almost got to drop the bomb. That was too close. Okay, so we got Island B and we're being attacked. You just ignored the carrier. The carrier is like a moving base. You can spawn planes. If you watched the last episode. So I don't know why he just ignored this base. Why is he going to the... It's one-man mission. That's a bad idea in this game. 3 people were in that! That was bad. We just lost a lot. They're camping at their island. We have like no people to stay on the ship and to defend it. Our best thingy to do is probably just like go over there and then just like sneak attack like that. Oh my god. There's not enough people here to defend. Here, I'm gonna do... Wait. /team. Nah, I'm just gonna do this guy. Need more firepower. Pronto! Okay. Message. Where's the message? Oh, I guess I'm just some lag right now. Oh god, they're shooting at us. Bruh. Why is none of my messages going in? Oh wait, that's our guy. That's our guy. Why am I shooting at him? Okay, that's kind of weird. Chat is lagging. Now my message goes through. We're gonna have to get ready to get some bombs in the air. Some birds in the air, I mean. Whatever, planes. We need to get planes up in the air soon. Because we're almost there, and I don't think they're gonna be spawning at their harbor anymore. Unless they just joined the game. This guy's just shooting everywhere. We actually have the least amount of health currently. Wait, what? They're losing health? That plane is shooting. We're just cruising by. You know, that base almost has like no health. So we're just gonna shoot it. Oh yeah, they're taking a lot of damage. We're also taking damage, guys. Someone's at our base and I think we just dropped some bombs on them. Okay, get in the air. Everybody, get a plane, drop bombs, shoot it, everything. Then once you're done, come back on the plane. Or I mean the boat. Actually, you know what? Just stop the boat like right now. He just shot a missile. Oh wait, I can spawn a... Let's get a large bomber. Goodness gracious. Wait, what? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I almost died. Let's go. I got 3 bombs, that's all that matters. Wait, what? Who is that guy? He got on my base? Meow, meow, meow. That was a lot of damage. I got way more ammo, so, Yep. I'm also going, like, way too fast. Yeah, they're screwed. I'm taking, like, no damage. Don't worry, the carrier's right there. The carrier's taking a lot of damage. It's on fire. Wait, if it's on fire, that means it's not that bad, actually. We could control all the islands. Shoot the American! I can't. What do you mean? Bruh. I can't shoot? Oh, wait, I can. We won. They're all spawning at their base. Look at those nerds. Look at those stupid Americans. Ugh, Americans. Shoot. Oh. That was really, really fast. Hasn't even been 10 minutes yet. Okay, guys, strap in. Let's hope we can just do that again. Why am I not spawning? Give me something. Yes, okay, I get it. Carrier. I want to drive. They're pushing. Oh, my God. Who is that guy? Mr. Maxi. Who are you? Bro, he already got off. Let me drive. Dude, you don't even know how to climb a ladder. Okay, boys, we're going. Yeah. Alrighty, So we got auto move on now. Look at that dog. He's in the Japanese army. Stupid Americans. What is that? Oh no, it's facing the other way. Look, we've got like a little Air Force base here. We should actually go for that island. Nah, one of those boats can go and take care of it. Actually, no, we can take care of that later. It's really close to the base. Our main goal is just to bomb their harbor. Everybody fit into that plane. Someone get Island C. Or just get Island C. They already got Island A. Yeah, I think those boats are going to go get it. My team doesn't even speak English or Japanese. They speak Spanish. Yo. Oh, it's this guy. Yo. Yo, yo. That does not look right. The watermelon mask and then that face. It just... I mean, if you look long enough, it kind of works. So wait, I control that gun. Oh no, I can control this gun. Bruh. So I can control this gun. He's like, wait, what? Hey! Get off my boat! Get off! So the driver is a driver. And also... Oh god, we got incoming, guys. Incoming. Okay, he's out of the air. Gotta take a turn. Because they're all coming for us now. Yeah, he's out of the air. Hey, there's a guy going for Island B. That's bad. This game, the design of it looks old. Yeah, it's pretty new and it's being updated. It got updated like last month. That's pretty recent for most games. Those Americans are getting a bit too close for comfort. And we're shooting them. Shoot the Americans. Who cares what kind of guns? Just shoot them with a gun. Yeah, we're doing damage to that guy. Oh, he's trying to shoot us. Yeah, no, wait. We need to get out of here. Oh, he's doing damage. Oh, God. I stopped the boat by accident. There we go. We're just gonna get out of here. We don't want to be with that guy. He's a big party pooper. Like, did you see how party pooper he was? Dude, please land the plane. I know it's too fast, but you can't control that. Yes! Oh, God. Guys! Incoming! Get that plane. He's got bombs. Yeah, okay, he's out of the air. Shoot that guy. We're taking damage. Oh, he got a lot of damage taken by that bomb. See, bombs are... And then he kamikazed. Alright, so we need to... We need to just get out of here. He's still shooting us. Alright. That guy spawned a plane and he's not doing anything. Oh my god. Oh my god! I've got like the worst people on my team, yet we always win because of some other people. They're just crashing their planes in the water. I mean, it is pretty cheap. You can get points pretty easily. I'm just gonna keep firing that base. There's a submarine in the water. That's bad. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep ultimate. Just keep... what do I say? Just keep destroying. Just keep destroying. Just keep destroying. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Just keep swimming. Ah. So we're just waiting. until, actually, we're gonna just turn right now. That plane is coming for us. I got no one on the guns, just me on the guns. I have to take care of everything. He just crashed into water. Even the enemy team sucks. That's why I can say America sucks. The Americans in this game are trash. It's all the Japanese! Are you kidding me? Alright. Oh, yeah, they're taking a lot of damage. This is the time where you guys start getting planes in the air. They aren't spawning at their own harbor. Come on, destroy them before they could try and destroy us. Oh god, wait, they are using their harbor. Come on, come on, come on. Get planes in the air and bomb their harbor. Raid Area 51, yeah. Come on, guys. Okay, I need to like stop that boat very soon. Crap. Shoot that boat. Shoot the people on the land. Okay, I'm getting out and I'm gonna get a bomb. I'm gonna bomb them. You idiot, move! You want me to drive? I can't drive. You idiot! We're dying! What the? No, what are you doing? You're gonna let them board and kill us? Oh my god, they're gonna drop bombs! Watch out! Dude, move your plane! Fly! Go! Oh my god. He crashed. Good. Good riddance, honestly. Okay, bombs, bombs. How do I drop? Yeehaw! Yeah, get the boat out of here. He crashed into me! No! The carrier is taking a lot of damage. It might sink. Come on. What are you idiots doing at the spawn? Carrier, carrier. What are you doing? Why are you going away from the enemy? They can't do anything. Actually, no, you just kept it at a safer distance. That's better than ever. Bro, you're letting them drop bombs on us, guys. Shoot the planes. I can't see anything. There's too much fire. Oh my god, guys. Guys! Get on that boat! Okay, we're on this boat now. He stopped. Bro, unlock your boat. Wait, this is the bad guy. I just killed him. He came to his base to help and he's dead. The carrier sank! They won't shoot us because it looks like it's the me. Oh my god. That's a submarine. Board the submarine. Hostage. Shoot him. We took over the submarine. We're just killing the pilots. Oh god. No, what are you doing? Dude, we don't want to go back up there. Nah, nah, nah. Dude, stop. I'm on your team. Oh my god, they got like 2 more submarines. They got so many submarines! Oh my god, we're gonna die! Can we control a boat? Nah. No. Oh no. It's bad. God. Oh my god. Maybe they'll think I'm on your team and I just jumped off. Are you kidding me? Alright. We're gonna do one last attempt. We are going to just get a plane and bomb them. What the heck? Why is there a stupid plane on there? Bruh! Dude, guys, oh my god. Get off! Shoot it at least. Oh, now you're shooting. Stop just letting your planes be everywhere. They're dropping bombs. You idiots. Now we're flying. Oh my god, where are you going? Okay, there you go. And we're being shot immediately. He ignored us. Don't you dare drop the bombs on that island. Drop the bombs on the other one. Shoot the Americans. He's going for this island. Oh my god. What are you doing? You're gonna crash. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes! You're lucky I'm here. What are you doing? Oh my god. They can spawn here still, you dingus. What were you thinking? Oh my god. Destroyed! You idiot! Don't you dare start the plane without me. Okay, go! Go to the harbor and drop bombs. See, they're already shooting at us. Wait, that's our friend. They're all in stupid boats that can't fly. Pfft. Nerds. Oh my god. What are you doing? I have this pea brain. Fine, we're shooting. Don't you dare drop the bombs on this guy. Please don't. Go to the harbor. Oh my god. This guy is gonna give me a heart attack. And we're smoking. The smoke got thicker. We're being shot at. Now we're being more noticed. He's coming back! No way, he was going the other way. Dude! Go drop the bombs! What are you doing? They aren't shooting at us! Go! You're gonna crash! Dude, what are you doing? Go attack it! Drop the bombs! Oh my god! No, I'm stuck with a pea brain! We're probably gonna die for lack of fuel. And now we have no ammo. Oh my god, I'm jumping out. You missed the bomb! Dude, just let me jump out! What? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Well, guys. Oh, how do I close? Well, guys, this was... Oh my god. Stop jumping. Leave me alone. I have a gun. Anyways, guys, this was Naval Warfare. I'll see you guys in the next one. What do you want? Huh? I'm out of here. I'm gonna buy a rocket launcher and kill all the... Oh, I'm not paying that. I'm just gonna go to Island B for peace. This disaster. Oh, guys. Oh, my God. This was Naval Warfare. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.